Hello. Ang sarap naman ng salad. Inay ko.
Ito po. Okay po. The pasta ba? Together with the two different sauce, we have Sonia's traditional white sauce, sun-dried tomato and olive oil for the red sauce. Here's the toppings. You have the shiitake mushroom, ma'am. Capers, black olive and parmesan cheese. And toppings on the side. You have the herb grilled chicken, ma'am.
Thank you. Wala kang smile.
Ay, sorry po.
Okay lang. Hi. Mami, masarap?
Masarap.
Masarap.
This is
Thank you, Mami.
garlic.
Sony's Garden. Hindi po. Sonia's Garden.
This
This is the tarragon tea, ma'am, together with the goji berries. Yung tarragon po natin is good for digestion po yan. The red one naman po is goji berries for antioxidant, ma'am.
Thank you.